Hello everyone, my name is Allison Moreira. I'm from Goiás, Brazil, and I have more than 6 years of hands-on experience working with beef cattle and the farm work. I have worked with cow-calf and the feedlot system. I handle cattle, help with branding programs, assist during calving, and take care of newborn calves. I also work with vaccination, deworming, and daily animal health routines. I can operate tractors and the farm equipment. I have experience with fertilizer and the herbicide application, pasture renovation, and the rotational grazing. I studied veterinary medicine and the agronomy, which gave me strong practical knowledge of animal care and the farm routines. I am responsible, careful with animals, and I work with a team. Thank you for your time. I am ready to help and contribute to your farm.